Did you know that cooling technology in data centers can consume more energy than an entire country? That's right. A recent study found that over 30% of data center energy goes to cooling alone. Today, we're diving into how new innovations could drastically reduce that energy consumption while also exploring how AI is reshaping service management. Stick around to see how these advancements matter in our tech-driven world. In today's video, we'll explore two groundbreaking developments: the launch of RapDev's Agentic Platform and a revolutionary cooling technology for data centers. We'll discuss the implications of these innovations for businesses and the environment. Plus, we'll touch on the hidden costs of AI when it comes to customer experience. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about RapDev and their new Agentic Platform, launched on May 20th, 2026. According to a PR Newswire article, this semi-supervised managed offering allows AI agents to handle the operational load of ServiceNow while allowing enterprises to maintain full oversight and policy control. This means businesses can scale their operations effectively without sacrificing governance. Imagine being able to automate mundane tasks, freeing up your team to focus on strategic goals. With the Agentic Platform, companies can do just that. This is a game changer for operational efficiency and provides a safety net for businesses worried about losing control to automation. But what does this mean for the future of work? As AI takes on more operational duties, the dynamics of teamwork and management will evolve. Companies will need to adapt their strategies to leverage these AI tools effectively while ensuring that human oversight remains intact. This balance will be crucial as we move into a more AI-driven landscape, where the blend of human intuition and machine efficiency can lead to unprecedented results. Now, let's shift gears to another fascinating innovation: the cooling technology for data centers. As reported by New Atlas on the same day, researchers have developed a 3D-printed copper plate cooling system that could reduce data center energy consumption by a staggering 90%. To put that into perspective, data centers consumed 485 terawatt-hours (TWh) of electricity in 2025, with 30% of that energy dedicated to cooling. That's more energy than the entire annual consumption of Sweden. This new cooling technology is not just a win for energy efficiency, it's also crucial for sustainability. As data demands continue to rise, the environmental impact of data centers becomes a growing concern. Reducing energy consumption significantly can lead to lower carbon emissions, making it a win-win for businesses and the planet. But the implications do not stop there. In a world where data centers are ramping up their power usage, this innovation could set a new standard for energy-efficient operations. Companies that adopt this technology will not only save money on energy bills, but also position themselves as leaders in sustainable business practices. Finally, we can't overlook the critical intersection of AI and customer experience. An insightful article on CMS Wire highlights the real cost when AI tools and customer experience strategies operate in silos. The article discusses a $5 billion failure attributed to this separation, emphasizing that when AI and customer experience, CX, don't align, it's customers who pay the price. This insight is a crucial reminder for businesses integrating AI into their operations. It's essential to ensure that AI strategies are closely tied to customer experience initiatives. When AI tools enhance CX rather than complicate it, businesses can unlock remarkable value and improve customer satisfaction. So, what are the key takeaways from today's discussion? 1. AI governance. RapDev's Agentic Platform illustrates the importance of maintaining oversight in AI operations, allowing businesses to scale efficiently while controlling risks. 2. Energy efficiency. The new cooling technology for data centers is a potential breakthrough, promising to reduce energy consumption dramatically and promote sustainability within the tech industry. Holistic AI integration. The CMS Wire article reminds us that AI and CX must work in harmony to avoid costly pitfalls and enhance customer satisfaction. In summary, these innovations highlight the rapid advancements in AI and technology that can reshape industries, drive efficiency, and promote sustainability. If you found this video insightful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech updates. Also, let me know in the comments. How do you think AI can improve customer experience in your industry? I can't wait to read your thoughts.